Is there a prayer for going to school?
Allah has taught us a very easy prayer in the Holy Quran, which translates as, O Lord, increase me in knowledge. Some people find school difficult, and some find a few subjects harder than others. But that's okay. We all have our own talents and understanding, as long as we try our best and use the minds that Allah has given us. Many Muslims will also try to use their God-given talents for good things. For example, if somebody is good at art, they could do calligraphy of Allah's names. Or if someone is good at biology, they could become a doctor and help others get better. Aside from this, always pray for your journey. May Allah protect all students and pupils.
O my Lord, increase me in knowledge.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, follow us, share it, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Salam, kids! Anna has a question.